In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file or video to OneDrive. Whether you're storing documents for work or sharing videos with friends, OneDrive offers a simple and efficient way to keep your files accessible from anywhere. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the official OneDrive website. If you haven't already, sign in with your Microsoft account. It's important to ensure you're logged into the account where you want your files to be stored, so verify that you've used the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive homepage. This page displays your existing files and folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. At the top of the page, you'll notice a toolbar with several options. Look for the option labeled Upload, which is typically located towards the left side of the toolbar. Click on it. This action will reveal two choices, Files or Folder. If your goal is to upload a single file or a video, choose the Files option. Clicking on Files will open a dialog box that allows you to navigate through your computer's file directories. Locate the file or video you wish to upload. It's a good idea to check the file size before selecting it, as unusually large files might take longer to upload, especially if your internet connection is slow. Once you've found the file, select it and click the Open button. You'll notice a small prompt at the bottom right corner of the OneDrive page indicating that your upload is in progress. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this might take a few moments, so be patient. While it uploads, let's talk about some useful tips. If you have multiple files to upload, you can save time by uploading entire folders. This option works particularly well if your files belong to a specific project or theme. Just click Folder instead of Files, and follow the same steps. Also, remember that OneDrive allows you to upload files up to 250 gigabytes, which is pretty generous compared to other services. Keep an eye on the upload indicator, and once it disappears, congratulations, your file or video has been successfully uploaded to OneDrive. You can now access it from anywhere with an internet connection, share it with others, or keep it stored safely in the cloud. To share the file, simply right-click on it, select Share, and follow the prompts to invite others to view or edit it. And there you have it, uploading files and videos to OneDrive is that straightforward. With OneDrive's robust platform, you're all set to keep your important documents and memories safe while ensuring easy accessibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.